Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Queen Miranda from Sofia the First in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, this is for the outfit guys, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and combine it with this one. And for this hairstyle, you're going to change the toggle to back and remove all the flowers. And for the color, you're going to make it this color for the first and also the second selection and combine it with this hairstyle. And you're going to choose no bangs. And then put on this heels, make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And this earring, make it white, and this necklace, make it white, and this crown, make it this color for the crown. And then you're going to do little adjustment. You can position it like this and rotate it like this. And for the scale, just leave it like that. Alright, and then we're going to go to the world culture clothing area and then put on this skirt. And for the skirt, you're going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then we're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and then combine it with this dress. For this dress, you're going to choose only skirt and then color it with this red pink color. And then change the material to glitter. Okay, and then let's move to the next area. I'm going to put on this corset, and then for this corset, I'm going to color it with this color for all the selection except the ribbon. For the ribbon, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then we're going to change the material to glitter. Alright, done, and then put on the sleeves. For the sleeves, you're going to make it glitter as well and then make it this color. Okay, and let's move to the changing room. Put on the skirt and then you're going to make it this color for the first selection, this color for the second selection, and also the third selection. And then again, change the material to glitter and then put on the sleeves. Make it glitter as well for the first selection and also the second selection. And then make it this color. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Queen Miranda in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!